kicked off with a bang, and from day one, it's clear we're witnessing a massive leap in AI and tech that's reshaping everything: personal devices, gaming, cars, robotics, even how industries operate. Las Vegas is buzzing with over 4,500 exhibitors from around the world, and AI is the star of the show. The scale is mind-blowing. 232,000 square meters packed with groundbreaking tech that's taking innovation to a whole new level. And honestly, NVIDIA is stealing the spotlight. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's CEO, walked onto that stage, and you could tell something big was coming. His keynote wasn't just another presentation, it felt like a preview of the future. NVIDIA's new GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs were front and center, and they're built on the Blackwell architecture, which is already being talked about as a game changer. The specs alone are wild. The flagship RTX 5090 has 92 billion transistors and can handle 3,352 trillion AI operations per second. To put that into perspective, this isn't just better, it's a whole new level of performance that makes even the current top-tier GPUs look slow. The real surprise, however, was the pricing of the RTX 5070. Priced at $549, this GPU delivers performance that rivals or even surpasses the RTX 4090, which was previously seen as a powerhouse. Offering that kind of power at such an accessible price point is practically unheard of. But it's not just about raw performance. NVIDIA's new DLSS4, Deep Learning Supersampling, elevates AI-powered rendering by generating 3 additional frames for every 1 frame the GPU renders. This results in smoother gameplay, enhanced detail, and significantly reduced system strain. And while gamers will undoubtedly benefit, this technology goes far beyond gaming, with applications in industries like architecture, filmmaking, and beyond. But NVIDIA didn't stop there. They unveiled their Cosmos platform, designed to simulate the real world for